Rachel's here again in her art room. How are you guys today? Well, I decided to come back again and do another video on the Deco Art. I already made up some turquoise colors in my previous pour. It was a bottom pour, and I didn't get any cells, and I did add silicone to one of my colors. So this time I'm going to do another trial and see if I get cells. So I've added a little more water to my paint. So it was a 1-to-1 ratio with the pouring medium, the Deco Art Pouring Medium. Well, that's the white, sorry. Where is it? Oh, this Deco Art Pouring Medium that they were so kind to send me, and some paints. So the colors I'm using right now are Dioxin Purple. Oh, no, not Dioxin Purple, sorry. Purple Pizzazz. Desert Turquoise. And Bahama Blue. And the white, of course, which was this Americana Deco Art Snow White. So I did 1-to-1 ratio, and I added a little more water. So I'm going to pour this on the canvas. I'll turn you down now. Let's see if you can. I'll move this over a little. All right, so I'm going to pour this on the canvas. I can get this to spread smoothly around. A little bit more over here. I'll just use my finger for the sides. I'm just going to do a flip cup right over top of this. Never done one of these before. I don't even know what you call them. Flip cup. Negative space, I guess. See if I can get this to come down a little more this way. Okay, I'll get my little cup. Let's see which one. I'm going to add some more silicone to my paint. So if you can see this, I'm going to add 2 drops. Maybe I'll do 3. I'm not going to stir it a lot. I'll put some in the purple. And this had some in it already, but I'm going to add 1 more. It's been mixed up quite a bit. All right. I'm just going to use one of these tiny cups. And I think I'll just add a little bit of weight to the bottom. There's no silicone in the white. Turquoise. Purple. Can you see me doing this? I'll put it here. I don't think I need that anymore. Maybe a tinge of white. Put my lid back on before I forget. All right, let's see how this goes. All right. Whoa. Well, it definitely got cells. Those are cool cells. Very cool. Now, I think I'm going to take my straw and do some I'll try the other side. See if I can just move it this way a little bit. There. I wanted one side to come off the edge there. Want a little more purple here. There, I'm liking this. So I guess the trick with Deco Art is to have it a bit more fluidy than the one-to-one, because I added a bit of water. Plus, doing it in a flip cup mixes the paint up and they rub against each other, and that creates more cells. So when I was doing the bottom bottle pour, I guess the paint wasn't moving against each other enough and it didn't create any cells. So that's one thing. Oh, I don't know whether to blow any more or leave it. There, I'm liking this. Okay, I think this is done. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit the bell, because then you'll get more notifications when I do another one. Comment below. There's a spot way at the bottom. If you scroll right down, you can comment. There. All right, I'm going to end this video now. Thanks for watching. So I think this Deco Art demo was a success. So we'll see how it dries. I'm thinking it should dry okay, but you never know. So we'll wait till the end to see if it dries. All right, how it dries, I mean. All right, thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye. All right, I just need to give you a close-up. Almost forgot that part. See the really nice cells there? So that was treadmill, silicone, and Deco Art paint and pouring medium. Alrighty, bye-bye. Okay, it's Carol, and these are the dried results of my flip and drag that I did. So I did a little flip cup over top of some white paint, moved it around, and this is the results. It dried this is dried. It dried very good. Smooth, pretty smooth. It's a little thinner here. That's where I blew it with the straw. But otherwise, it's pretty awesome. Let's have a good look here. There's the thinner part right there. But once this gets varnished, it'll all look the same. It'll all look really good. I think it'll look really good varnished. Anyway, this is it. And this is Deco Art Americana paint, Deco Art Pouring Medium, and some silicone. So there was lots of cells came out. Anyways, come back soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.